Welcome to MI Windows Indoors. In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the screen track in our 910 sliding glass door from our V2000 series. First, you must remove the screen from the screen track. Using a long flathead screwdriver will help pop the wheels out from the track and remove the screen. Using your finger and a flathead screwdriver, pry the screen track up from the frame and remove. Lay the new screen track in the frame starting at the jamb. Then, using your screwdriver, press down firmly so the track locks into place. Then, reinstall your screen. Make sure the wheels are on the new track, and your installation is finished.